Check one. Or a Hammerkopf. The bird just walking along the sort of shallows of the water there. You also see from the surface of the water it's breezy out here. It's a little bit choppy. Literally just checking the whole edge. I'm sure it'll probably walk all the way around the water. Looking for little things. I mean, they typically eat frogs and small fish, insects. You see the way it's using the legs, disturbing the sort of the mud underneath the water every now and again, just shuffling things up a little bit. Scratching the ear, you know, just doing what birds do. And incredibly quick. I mean, just look at the reflexes there. It's a very, very fast moving bird. Come right here next to us. And closer and closer, you can also see just in the sort of the pattern or the color of the surface of the water, sort of brownishness on it. I would guess it is the algae that we see often that goes very green. Probably when it starts dying off, it goes through these different phases. As you can see the beautiful shapes that the bird's leaving behind. Ah, that bird. Let me disappear for you, Alex. Make the focus easier. Well, it's going to disappear behind the steering wheel. Quite a nice view. Hammerkopf, literally translated meaning hammerhead. Let's have another look at it. It's very close. Oh, maybe too close for its own comfort.